Welcome to Module 1 of the Cloud Services Training Program by Royal Research. Whether you are upskilling for a career in cloud computing or strengthening your foundation for advanced roles, you are in the right place. If you've completed Module 0, then congratulations, you already understand the core ideas behind cloud computing. Now, in Module 1, we take the next big step, exploring real-world cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, and gaining practical, hands-on experience across these ecosystems. Let's take a look at what's in store for you over the next 6 weeks. In Week 1, we start by expanding your theoretical base. You'll learn about the 3 main cloud service models: IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, PaaS, Platform as a Service, and SaaS, Software as a Service. Each model offers unique capabilities, and understanding when and how to use them is key to becoming cloud proficient. We'll also explore the advantages of cloud adoption, including scalability, cost efficiency, flexibility, and innovation potential. Lastly, you'll get introduced to multi-cloud strategies, a popular approach used by organizations to optimize performance and reduce risk by working with more than one cloud provider. In Week 2, we move into hands-on learning with Amazon Web Services, the most widely used cloud platform today. You'll begin by launching and managing virtual servers using EC2, storing data in S3, and managing access permissions using IAM, Identity and Access Management. We'll guide you through VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, for networking and show you how to use both the AWS Console UI and Command Line Interface, CLI. You'll also learn how to navigate the billing dashboard so you can monitor and control usage costs effectively. Week 3 introduces you to Microsoft Azure, another leading player in the cloud space. You'll work within the Azure portal to create virtual machines, manage storage accounts, and organize resources into resource groups. We'll also cover role-based access control, RBAC, which is essential for assigning permissions at different scopes in Azure. This week's goal is to help you comfortably navigate Azure's ecosystem and build confidence in managing core services. In Week 4, you'll explore the third major platform, Google Cloud Platform. Here, you'll use the GCP console to launch virtual machines with Compute Engine, store files in cloud storage, and manage user access with IAM policies. You'll notice the similarities and differences between GCP and the other platforms, helping you become a versatile multi-cloud practitioner. Security is foundational to everything we do in the cloud. In Week 5, we introduce you to cloud security essentials, such as identity management, data encryption, and policy creation. You'll understand how the major cloud providers approach compliance and what tools they offer to help you build secure, policy-aligned applications. To wrap up Module 1, you'll apply your knowledge in a real-world project. You'll deploy a basic HTML website across all 3 platforms, AWS, Azure, and GCP. This final project lets you compare platform capabilities, understand the deployment process across providers, and reinforce everything you've learned. By the end of this module, you'll have completed your first multi-cloud deployment, a milestone that sets you apart in today's competitive IT landscape. Congratulations on reaching this point in your cloud journey. Module 1 provides a strong, practical foundation and prepares you for the more advanced services and architectures we'll tackle in Module 2, including DevOps, AI, ML, and cloud-native application design. Keep learning, keep building, and stay curious. Thank you.